What's up, guys? We got a new product today that's gonna go on our bike. It's the EMoto-X pegs. Check these bad boys out, man. These are pretty sick. Yep, I'm gonna do an installation video and show you guys how to put these in. So these are the new EMoto-X pegs, man. These are pretty sick. All these corners, there's no sharp corners to cut your legs or anything, but there is these spikes up here to really grip you in there. There's even a nice design in the middle, so mud can just kind of go right through that. These look pretty solid. It is pinned from the bottom. A lot of the cheaper ones are pinned from the top, so right when that pin breaks off, if it breaks off into it, you're kind of screwed. These at least are from the bottom, so if you do break one of these, you can pull these out. I know there is different color pins. There is different color other than silver. You can go check them out at EMoto-X. I think it's EMoto-X.com, and you can buy the pegs over there. If not, if you're on Hawaii locally, you can buy the pegs from Luda's Bike Work, or you can go to Scotty's Tune by 10. Those are the two local shops that are selling these right now. So when you're taking off the old ones, get a flat head right here. Kind of just twist it, comes right off. Take that washer out. You can just bang that up. You're gonna pull that pin out, and then the whole peg comes. When you're putting it back, this part of the spring has to be in that little hole, just like that. Then you're gonna slide these back in. Make sure that the spring goes over that. And just hit it down, all the way down, and then when you have the pin in all the way, you're gonna put that washer and then this clip at the end. And after, it should look like this. So this is the whole EMoto-X peg installation. It's super easy, it's not hard. And EMoto-X does have pegs for all different types of bikes, all different types of colors. Go check them out, EMoto-X. We're gonna be putting these to the test. Stick around for some more videos just to see how these pegs hold up. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll link EMoto-X in the bottom if you guys want to go check them out. All right, thank you guys. Yes, sir. Shoo.